Biology Review numbers 5 and 6. 5 says, which of the following is a characteristic of most bacterial infections but not of a viral infection? F, it can cause multiple symptoms. G, it can affect different people differently. H, it can be spread by inhalation. J, it can be treated with an antibiotic. So we want to know what's true of bacterial infections but not of viral infection. So it can cause multiple symptoms. Well, if you've ever had a bacterial infection, you know it causes multiple symptoms. Fever, if it's a bacterial infection like a respiratory infection, you could have runny nose, sore throat, etc. So they're going to be coughing. You're going to have a lot of symptoms, multiple symptoms. Viral infection, maybe you had the flu, you have aches, chills, fever, nausea. So again, we have multiple symptoms. So we want something that's true of bacterial but not viral, so that gets rid of F. It can affect different people differently. That's absolutely the case of both of these. You may have a bacterial infection that doesn't hit you as strongly as it hits someone else, and same with a viral infection. H, it can be spread by inhalation. Inhalation means breathing in. So you can breathe in a bacterium, you can breathe in a virus, and both of them can make you ill because you breathe them in. So because that's the same, true of both, then we can rule that out. And finally, it can be treated with an antibiotic. Antibio, against life. Bacteria are living cells, viruses are not. So because it's antibiotic against living cells, it is going to kill a bacterial infection but not a virus. That's why if you go to the doctor and you have a cold, they don't treat that with an antibiotic because a cold is a virus. On number 6, it says streptococcus infection in a person's throat can cause pain and fever. Streptococcus can be controlled by antibiotics. Streptococcus is A. Now, even if you didn't know what this word was, it's in italics, which means that it's part of the scientific name of this organism. So even if I didn't know that, if I see that it can be controlled by antibiotics, and in this case, when we see the word controlled by in science questions, we're actually talking about not controlling as in making it do something you want, but controlling the population as in killing it. So we're saying that it can be killed by antibiotics. Well, based on what we just talked about in number 5, that lets me know antibio, against life, it's going to kill living cells, so it cannot be a virus. Antibiotics are used to kill bacteria. So G is our correct answer.